In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF into multiple files with Power Automate Desktop. This powerful tool can transform the way you manipulate PDFs, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Power Automate Desktop flow. This is where the magic will happen. On the right, in the Actions pane, you'll notice a group labeled PDF. Go ahead and expand this group. You're looking for the action termed Extract PDF Pages to New PDF. Simply drag this action onto the main workspace. This action will allow you to specify particular pages within your PDF to create a separate file. Now, let's configure this extraction to set it up properly. It's crucial to identify which file you're working with and to specify the details for your first new file segment. Under PDF file, be sure to provide the full path to your source PDF file. You might see it referenced as %file path for send, but make sure that it points to the correct document you want to split. For the pages to extract, select as ranges. This allows you to specify exactly which pages you want to pull out. Under page ranges, enter the numbers or range of pages for your first output file. For example, if you want to extract the first 3 pages, you'd input 1 to 3. This way, you have a clear directive to isolate just the content you need. Next, in the Extract to option, choose New PDF File. Then, you'll need to decide where this new PDF will reside. Under New PDF File Path, enter the path and file name where you want this new document to be saved. An example would be C output report part1.pdf. This is the file location and name your system will use to save the newly created document. If your original PDF is password protected, you can enter the password here as well, ensuring the file is accessible for processing. If your project calls for more than one segment, you'll need to repeat the process for each additional file. Return to the Actions pane. Drag another Extract PDF Pages to New PDF action into your workspace. This time, for page ranges, enter the next set of page numbers, such as 4 to 5 for the second segment. Make sure to specify a distinct path and file name for this file as well. For instance, C output report part2.pdf. Keeping each name unique prevents any overwriting and helps maintain an organized and efficient document structure. By following these steps, you'll have effectively split your original PDF into multiple, organized files, each tailored to your specific needs. Power Automate Desktop makes this task both simple and reliable, enabling you to manage your documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.